long is the licensing agreement? A licensing agreement can be as short as maybe 3 to 5 pages, or a licensing agreement can be as long as 50 to 100 pages. Now, why the difference in the length of the licensing agreement? Well, you can imagine that very, very large brands, whenever they license their brand, whenever they license their trademark, you can imagine that they're going to be very picky about the type of permissions that they give to the licensee. So by being very specific in the contract, you're outlining things like what happens in the event of a damage, or what happens in the event of a breach, what happens in the event that the licensee breaks the contract and causes damage to my brand.